So welcome back to MTL Box Breaks. It is Sunday, September the 8th, and it is now 8:14 a.m. Eastern Time. So now it's time to do break number 283, which is a rookie anthology 2011-12 brand new box. Serial number NE181163639. Five plus 5 is 10. Alright, so wish you guys good luck. Alright, so we have a redemption card for the Rookie Treasures Level 3, card number 124, Devontae Smith-Pelly for Anaheim. If I don't make a mistake, we'll put it here and we'll check that out later. So base, base. Base, base. Pinnacle Rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, Jan Sauvé. Base and base. Rookie rivalry between the Montreal Canadiens, Louis Leblanc, and the Toronto Maple Leafs, Ben Scrivens. So this one will be random. Base and base. Pinnacle Rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, TJ Brennan. Pinnacle Rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Ryan Russell. Base, base. Calder Contenders for the Detroit Red Wings, Joakim Anderson, number out of 999. Base and base. Base. For the Vancouver Canucks, Eddie Lack. You see how the card is over here? And it's like 30. I don't understand, it's fresh out the pack. Number out of 299. Base and base. Rookie rivalry between the Philadelphia Matt Reed and Pittsburgh Robert Bortuzzo. So this one will be also random. Rookie royalty for Philadelphia Flyers, Marc-André Bourdon. Pinnacle rookie for the LA Kings, Slava Voinov. Base and base. See what we have in here. For Detroit Red Wings, nice limited Brett Hall autograph. Number out of 23. Alright, so let's do this randoms and check out the Devante Smith belly. So let's see. Hockey 2011 Panini Rookie Anthology. So it says Rookie Treasure Level 3. Yeah, for the Anaheim Ducks. Alright, let me prepare this before I show it to you. So we have Philadelphia and Pittsburgh. Philadelphia and Pittsburgh. And we have Montreal and Toronto. All right. So here we're gonna start with Montreal and Toronto. So like usual, I will run them 3 times, and the first team on top after 3 will take the card. So let's begin 1, 2, and the winner, Montreal. So let's do the next one, Philadelphia and Pittsburgh. Same thing, 1, 2, and the winner, Pittsburgh. Alright, and for the Panini Rookie Anthology Rookie Treasure Level 3, card number 124, Devante Smith-Pelly for Anaheim Ducks. Alright. So on this break number 283, I didn't write it down. The redemption card goes to Anaheim. This one here goes to Montreal. This one here goes to Pittsburgh. And we also got hits from Detroit Red Wings, Brett Hall. LA Kings, Slava Voinov. Marc-Andre Bourdon for Philadelphia. Eddie Lack for Vancouver. Joakim Anderson for Detroit. Ryan Russell for Columbus. TJ Brennan for Buffalo. And Jan Sauvé for the Vancouver Canucks. Alright, so thank you very much for joining the break. I hope that you choose the good teams. So thank you very much for joining, and hope to see you on next breaks.